Okay, so we're just going through all of our stuff here to make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm looking on my other screen, and you can't really follow along, but I'm kind of just scrolling through stuff. And so I'm going back to file operations. We know the configurator. We obviously just went through that yesterday. So I'm going through file operations now, checking and seeing if there's anything I missed from training branch. In the other repo, get JSON data. Nope. Read directory contents. That one looks fine. Read directory synchronously. Yep, that looks fine. Clean root path. That's fine. And aha, we do have another one here. We didn't get a chance to implement this, but we need to do it. So let's do this one. File operations. There's a function at the end called append function append message to file. Takes a file and a message. This is used by the logger to log files, and I refactored it. I think I refactored it from the loggers into the file operations because it's an actual file operation, so that made sense. And so we got this header should say at function append message to file description opens a file and appends a message to the file, then closes the file. Okay, and then these should be string and string, and it's going to return a Boolean. Oops. The file is described as the fully qualified path and file name for the file that should be opened, appended, and saved. The message is the message that should be appended to the specified file. A true or false to indicate if the append happened successfully or not. Author, date, well, the usual stuff. Let's see here. I think we can copy this. Yeah, I'll just copy this one right here. The clean path, and I'll copy something from up here. Maybe not. Oh, here. Yeah, one of these. Any sort of something like this that has a parameter. Any one of them, doesn't matter. Right here. Those, because you got two parameters. File, message, and it's not root path. It's let append success equals false. And I'll return that as an output. Append success is, and return append success. Oops, this needs to come down to here. Alright, so next we can say if file and message. I'm going to put my message here. And if file and message. Then we have a try. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, console.log. Open the file synchronous. fd equals fs.open sync file and a for append. And then console.log append to the file sync fs.append file sync fd backtick $ curly brace message, and then after the curly brace, the close brace, we have a \r \n for return character and a new line. and then we put UTF-8 with coding format. It says ASCII UTF-8. And then I'll do console.log done appending to the file. Now, down here, we have a catch, ERR for error, return console.log err. Now normally when we do a try and a catch, stop, but sometimes you need to have something a little bit more. And in this case, we do need to have something more. After, let's say the try and the catch, if we get done with the catch and it returns, then it's just going to return. But if we do the, and if we, let's say we do the try and then the try succeeds and it comes all the way down, it's going to return append to success down here. But no matter what, whether we return from here or we continue and this try is successful and we continue on down here, we need it to do one last thing. And it always needs to do it. Even if it returns from here, it'll still do it. And that is, we say finally, it's a new block, just like catch. If fd not equal to undefined, fs.close sync. So that's going to close our file that we opened. Fd, because we did fs open sync with the file, and that created this fd. And so if the fd is not undefined, that means we've still got the file open. So we've got to close it. So that's what this is doing.
Okay.
All right, we do need to have this append message to file down here at the bottom. So file message arrow function to append message to file, file and message. Oops, this one needs to have a comma at the end also. Loggers, I want to double check and see, do we, loggers, console log, oh boy, yes. Oh yes. Okay, yeah, we never really did this last time, and we need to start fleshing it out this time. So, we need to work through this. So that's something we could do next time, I guess. Because we've got quite a bit to implement in loggers. I'm just going to go back through in timers just to double check real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Timers, get now moment, compute delta time. Nope, we're good there. So really we need to do loggers, and then we need to come back and we'll have to check our controllers because we skipped over the controllers.
Okay.
But I know that we've got to implement all this stuff in the loggers because that's going to be next systems that we implement. So we can do that next time.
All right, cool.
Probably take a few times.